Hi everyone. In this video, we will show exactly how to activate a DBS credit card. If you want to activate DBS credit card, then first of all, go into its official website. Now, from its website, click on the credit card option from the top bar. Once you get into the credit card section, scroll down and click on Card Matters. You can also find all the solutions regarding any type of card problem. Then, in Card Matters, scroll down a bit and you will find out the process to activate your ATM debit or credit card. The process depends on 6 very simple steps. All you need to do is log in to Digibank Mobile with your Touch or Face ID or Digibank user ID and PIN. Then just tap on More tab, and under Manage Cards and Loans, tap Activate Cards. After that, tap on Activate Credit Card. Now tap on the credit card you would like to activate. Lastly, review your request and tap Activate Card to complete your card activation request. It's essential to follow the instructions provided by DBS and have all the necessary information and documentation ready for activation. If you have any doubts or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact DBS's customer service or visit a local branch for help with the activation process.